to Green Thumb Adventures. Today we're going to play with this wonderful Melissa and Doug Latch Board, handcrafted, all made of wood and super fun. And it has these excellent locks. We're going to unlock each one and see what's behind each of the doors. So let's start with number 1. This is a little purple house with a window. Let's unlock this latch and see what's behind number 1. One purple pony. Let's see what's behind number 2. This beautiful blue window. Unlock it like that. 2 blue dogs. Now what's behind number 3? 3 yellow cats. Aren't they cute? Okay, let's move on to this red one, the number 4. 4 red rabbits. Now we have this green door. It's a green number 5. The sliding lock. Let's see what's behind here. 5 green frogs. Now let's see what's behind number 6. 6 orange fish. Are they cute? Okay, let's close them all up. Ready? Bye-bye, fish. Ready? Here we go. There go the green frogs. Let's lock it back up. There's the rabbits. Let's lock it back up. 3 yellow cats. There they go, back behind their little window. And 2 blue dogs. Let's latch it back up. And lastly, 1 purple pony. That's a great board. Thanks so much for watching. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching Green Thumb Adventures. Bye-bye.